this video, we're going to prove the following fact, that the greatest integer of a plus b is greater than the greatest integer of a plus the greatest integer of b. Before I get into the proof of this, I'd like to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you like watching mathematical proofs, then this is certainly the channel for you. I also want to give an example of the greatest integer function. If this is an integer here, and this is the next integer, call it b, and this is a, then the greatest integer of little a would be a. If it turned out that that was also little a, that is, little a is an integer, we still get that. So if you have 2.8, well, that's between 2 and 3, and unless it's an integer, you always go to the integer right below it. If you have negative 3.4, that number happens to be in between negative 4 and negative 3. The greatest integer is going to be negative 4. Now, suppose that a is in between x and x plus 1, where x is an integer. Then the greatest integer of little a will be x. Okay? Suppose the same thing for b. Suppose that b is jammed in between the integer y and the integer y plus 1, where y is an integer. Then the integer of b will be y, by definition. Okay. Now, we have this statement and we have this statement. Let's add them. What we get is that x plus y is less than a plus b. I don't really care about this. I don't really care about this. Since x plus y is an integer, that implies that the greatest integer of a plus b is greater than or equal to x plus y. Now, oops, I don't know why the color changed, but combining this and this, we get that x plus y is equal to the greatest integer of x plus the greatest integer of y. So this is equal to that. This is equal to this. Hence, just ignoring the middle part, the greatest integer of a plus b is greater than or equal to the greatest integer of a plus the greatest integer of b. Like many proofs, this was a proof by definitions. All I did was use the definitions. If you like seeing mathematical proofs like this, subscribe to my channel, as this is what we do here. We prove theorems. Click the like button, share my videos with your friends and enemies. See you guys in the next video, I hope. Don't forget, watch and learn.